Tired of your internet ruining your editing flow? Let's ditch the lag and learn how to use CapCut PC offline. First, make sure you've already downloaded and installed the CapCut PC application. If you haven't, head to the official CapCut website to download the latest version. It's totally free. Now, this is crucial. CapCut primarily works online, but we can use it in offline mode. Open CapCut. Before disconnecting, import all the video clips, images, and audio files you plan to use in your project. This preloading is key. CapCut needs these files available locally. Okay, now disconnect your computer from the internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable. Go completely offline. Start editing. You can now perform basic edits like cutting, trimming, adding transitions, and adding text without needing an internet connection. Certain features like advanced templates, cloud storage, and online music libraries will be unavailable, so plan your project accordingly. When you're done editing, you can still export your video. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and output format. Hit that export button. The video will be saved directly to your computer, ready to be shared once you reconnect to the internet. It's that simple. Enjoy your seamless, offline editing experience.